A very warm good morning to all. My name is Pranjal Srivastav and I am student of Shri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya, Indore. I would like to present our project Design of Briquette Making Machine for Agricultural Waste with my fellow group members Vikrant Patel and Vinay Gupta under the guidance of Mr. Santosh Yadav. So let's get started. So these are the outlines of our presentation: introduction, problem analysis, objective, literature review, methodology, present work, conclusion, and reference. So these briquettes are growing in high demand in our market and can be the best alternative fuel. Today, these biomass briquettes can solve various number of environmental problems. These biomass briquettes are renewable sources of energy and can be made by agricultural waste, forest waste, and industrial waste. As we know, large number of farmers in the world set fire to their cultivated field before sowing a new crop. This method is fast and economical, but it can cause harm to the soil, and the pollution it causes creates harm to our environment. Burning coal or any other fossil fuel emits large number of CO2 in the atmosphere. As we know, the condition of our daily air quality of pollution. So this project is based on such initiative that a machine will make a product briquette from agricultural waste to reduce air pollution and soil pollution. Also, it can be the best alternative of coal or fossil fuels. Objective. So, the objective is to make a low cost briquetting machine to utilize agricultural waste. Literature survey. According to the literature survey, briquette emits less number of CO2 and have lesser ash content as compared to coal. These briquettes have the highest calorific value as compared to the fossil fuel and emits lesser amount of greenhouse gases. Biomass energy. As we know, we have large amount of biomass sources from which we can get biomass energy, such as forest crop residue, agricultural crop residue, animal residue, industrial residue, etc. Methodology. The methodology of this project comprises of the following steps: parts collection, design preparation, design analysis, assembling of component, final model, and the final model testing. So the first step, part collection. Here we fit 0.5 horsepower of motor. Design layout. This design is made on AutoCAD. Calculation. So we have taken the outer diameter of the cylinder as 33 mm and the inner diameter of the cylinder as 25 mm. So the whole volume of the hollow cylinder is 1132 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube. The pressure applied. So we assume that the pressure is 2 kilonewton. So the pressure applied on the briquettes will be 3.1104 megapascal, and number of rotation per minute for 0.25 horsepower motor will be 234 rotations per minute to 467 rotations per minute. Is divided into three parts. First, the crushing assembly, which will cost us 4,350 rupees, and the mechanical press assembly will cost us 3,125. Then the total cost of this project will be approx 9,000 rupees. Machine working process. The collection of raw material, crushing, then the pressure will be applied, then the briquette will be dried out, and the final product briquette can be used further. So the biomass briquettes are made by gathering and compressing raw materials and also known as white coal. And these biomass briquettes are the perfect substitute of coal and charcoal. Types of briquette. The briquettes are made using several raw materials such as sawdust briquette, wood shaving briquette, shredded straw briquette, shredded paper briquette, pine briquette, and cardboard briquette. Why briquette? The question arises. So these briquettes are renewable energy source. These are cheaper, have lesser ash content, have high calorific value, have high burning efficiency, etc. The potential of the briquettes in the industry. As we can see a comparative chart which shows the biomass briquettes having higher calorific value than coal and have lesser ash content. Advantages of briquettes. These are cost efficient, eco-friendly, reduce the usage of wood, easy to transport, no sulfur and phosphorus emission, produce constant heat for longer times. If you have inquiries, these are the answers. Post result. It is expected that these briquettes can make use of agricultural waste and can be the best alternative of coal. As coal is on verge of extinction, there is an immediate need of finding a substitute. It also offers less amount of CO2 in the atmosphere. Further conclusion. So we can conclude that this machine will produce briquette using agricultural waste. These briquettes will be easy to use and work as a fuel and therefore the best alternative of coal. These briquettes will be eco-friendly and it will reduce the CO2 content and greenhouse gases content in the atmosphere. Thank you.